There's so much delight and joy surrounding fresh homemade bread, and the quintessential bread maker can help you achieve this weekly aromatic addition to your kitchen. Much like an ice cream maker or waffle maker, bread machines are carried in a variety of different sizes with a unique set of features depending on what type of bread you'd like to knead and slice. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best bread makers and machines, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bread makers and machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. Number 1. Dash Everyday Stainless Steel Bread Maker. The bread maker we swear by is the Dash Everyday Stainless Steel Bread Maker. It's simple to use, especially with its included recipes to create all different forms of bread, and is one of the best options for beginners. It's also fairly priced, and, while a bit bulky to remain on your counter 24/7, it's easy to clean and self-kneads the dough without fail. This is very affordable and looks great, so it will look good on your kitchen counter. Amanda Powell, the founder and creator behind a cookie named Desire and cookbook author, told the Post, "It works for many types of bread, including gluten-free. Additionally, you'll appreciate its 12 pre-programmed baking modes to create the following breads at the push of a button: French, whole wheat, ultra-fast, sweet, gluten-free, artisan jam, and cake. Its clear top view window lets you view the entire process too. Hands down, Dash wins the Best Bread Maker overall award." Number 2. Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker. The Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker can make 1 pound, 1.5 pound, 2 pound, and 2.5 pound loaves, making it a kitchen appliance worth investing in if you prefer making loads and loaves of bread. Impressively, it comes with 46 step-by-step recipes, so you'll elevate your baking skills in a snap. This model has a collapsible kneading paddle that reduces holes, made during the baking process, and has a number of different loaf pan options in one machine, Powell adds, recommending the appliance. Its collapsible handle thoroughly mixes ingredients before the baking phase to help minimize the hole at the base of the baked loaf to our delight. Much like the Dash model, it features a fruit and nut dispenser to release your preferred ingredients at the right moment, Forster recommends. This model for its collapsible kneading paddle as well. Breville makes high-quality small kitchen appliances, and its bread maker is no exception, she said. It looks sleek and modern, and comes with a unique, automatic add-in dispenser. It even has a collapsible kneading paddle, which saves your bread from having a hole in the middle, and it has a viewing light. Number 3. Neretva Bread Maker Machine. The Neretva Bread Maker Machine is very sleek and modern looking, so you will want to feature it on your counters, Powell said. It has many different settings, including sourdough. It has a setting to keep your bread warm for 1 hour as well. Should you be hosting guests or wanting to serve it at just the perfect time? With 20 customized automatic programs, 3 crust shades, and can make up to 2 pounds of bread in one cycle. Additionally, it automatically mixes, kneads ingredients with its quality kneading paddle, and features a digital LCD display for easier programming. Its large viewing window offers you a full view of the bread-making process, and its AC motor helps mitigate noise, which is what we consider a lovely bonus. You'll also appreciate its 360-degree double tubes heating feature that promotes better heat circulation to create fresh and healthy homemade bread. Number 4. Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine. The fairly priced Cuisinart Bread Maker machine is one that's readily available online and comes with a slew of features found in many high-end bread makers, including 12 pre-programmed menu options and 3 crust shades: light, medium, and dark, to truly be a baker on your own terms. This Machine beeps to let you know when to remove paddles, and while most other brands have an automatic mix-in dispenser, this one instead beeps to let you know when to add in the mix-ins yourself. Powell explains, recommending this model. More, it features a vertical baking pan for that counter-friendly, compact design we all desire. And its removable kneading paddle and bread pan is both easy to clean and use. It also has a lid with a viewing window to monitor the process from start to finish, topped off with a snazzy interior light to check your bread as it bakes. This model is thoughtful, effective, and worth the buy if you're a beginner or advanced baker alike. Number 5. KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine. Shop the KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine, a kitchen find that resembles the look of your finest air fryers and toaster ovens, but is fully suited for breads of all kinds. This brand uses a wonderful nonstick ceramic pan with 360-degree heating for even heating and easy cleaning, Powell notes. It has a ton of features, even a fermentation setting. This setting is effective for topping off your breads with jam, yogurt, or transforming it into special types of cakes. Because of its ceramic and nonstick design, it's one of the easiest to use and clean, all while being not too expensive compared to other models on this list. Its detachable fruit nut dispenser releases your preferred ingredients automatically at the optimum time as well. You don't need to keep an eye on the time either. Thanks to its 15-hour delay timer, you don't have to wake up at 4 a.m. to begin kneading. Its 1-hour automatic keep warm function is another nice touch, along with its 15-minute power interruption recovery mode to allow for healthy breads whenever you'd like them. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.